Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start the next video. Next video on the basis of elements of accounts, part 1 of standard 12. It is not unknown to you the which chapter is going on. 7th chapter, Resolutions of a Partnership Firm. The previous video I completed one exercise sum of page number 310, question number 4. From there, out of 8, 3 practical sums. Now I will come to the next questions, that is page number 311. I want to write it here, page number 311 of question number 5. All of you, when you will watch this video, you read the question twice so that you can understand. Page number 311, question number 5. Under the 5, you are getting total 12 questions. All these 12 questions exactly from the illustration 1. If you are understanding the illustration 1, I think you will understand this also. So, one by one, I want to solve it. Every one of you follow it, what is given, the one by one. I am reading the question, at the same time, I will solve the questions, so you try to understand. Pass the generalities of the following firm in case of the firm's resolutions. Generally, I want to tell you the two things, the assets and liabilities, whatever it is given. For that, generally, the one entry for transferring the assets to the realization account, and another entry after selling or how much amount released. After selling in the market, how much money you got it, for that one more entry. But sometimes it may happen that some of the cases first entry is not coming, only second entry will come. Some of the cases second entry is not coming, on the first entry will come. That also will keep in mind. It is not a fixed rule that everywhere this will be applicable. It depends on what type of question it is given. Without reading the question, immediately you don't pass the two entries. One for transfer entry and another for selling entry. That you don't do. You read the questions, where it is required, there you will pass, where it is not required, there you will not pass. See that at that time, number 1, at the time of resolution, the book value of the goodwill is rupees 56,000. No amount is released. No amount is released. Amount you did not get it. If you have not got any amount, then how you will pass the second entry? But at the time of resolutions, the book value of the goodwill is 56,000. So for that first entry you have to pass for transferring that goodwill to the realization account, and goodwill is debit, you have to make it a credit. So first one number 1 card. This is 1 card 1. Goodwill is debit, you have to make it a credit. So your journal is coming. Realization account debit. Realization, I am writing, but every time I have to write realization, it will take time. For that, it is realization account debit to goodwill account. How much? 56,000. Is not it? How much amount is given? 56. So it is coming 56,000. This is for transferring entry. Now question is there, 1, 2. If you sell the goodwill in the market, if you are getting more or less than the 56, then we will pass the second journal. But it is given in the questions that no amount is released. No amount is released, narration I am not writing, narration you will write it. And the second entry, which is coming, no entry. Second entry, no entry is coming. Now, question number 2. 2 is given that in the balance sheet, land and building is rupees 8 lakh, investment of rupees 2 lakh are disclosed. From that you have to understand our disclosed it is given in the balance sheets. That is your book value. Respectively, 9 lakh and 1,50,000 are released from bill. So you can understand this journal, this question 2 entry you have to pass. One for transfer entry and for how much money you have released from that. So what is the, once again you read the questions. Land and building 8 lakh and investment 2 lakh. Land and building 8 lakh and investment 2 lakh, first to transfer. What is this? Realization account debit to land and building to investment. How much? Land and building you are getting how much? 2 lakh. In the balance sheet, land and building 8 lakh and investment 2 lakh. Land and building 8 lakh. Credit. So you are writing here 8 lakh and this you are writing here 2 lakh and this you are writing here 10 lakh. This is for transfer entry. Narration you will write it. 1, 2 ka 2. Now what is this? You are getting cash after selling this one. How much you got? You got the cash 9 lakh plus 1 lakh 50. Matlab 10 lakh 50. 10 lakh 50 you are getting cash, that you can write together. Here land and building amount you wrote separately. So you can write here together. I will write it here. Cash oblique bank account debit to realization account. How much? 9 plus 150. Matlab 10 lakh 50,000. Got it? Transfer entry, selling price, realization account, released. Like that question, small question it will be given and you have to pass the journal entries from this chapter only. Let me read the third one. The total assets of the firm is rupees 2 lakh, out of which 40% are current assets, including cash of rupees 10,000, book value are released. Okay. What is given? The total assets of the firm are rupees 2 lakh, out of which 40% are current assets, including cash of rupees 10,000. Okay, here it will place there. Then can be done. Number 3. 3.1. How much total assets? 2 lakh. And out of that, 40% are current assets. And obviously, you understand that 60% are fixed assets. So, here if you write here, total 2 lakh and that 2 lakh, 40% and 60% if you separate it, 40% this is working for me. Who is 3? 5 3. And 60% are, this is your current assets, this is your fixed assets. 40% means 80,000 and this is 1,12,000. Like that one question just now I taught you previous videos. Isn't it? And here how much cash is given? 10,000. So 80,000 minus 10,000 is the cash. So you are getting 70,000 is the other assets, other current assets. And this is your fixed assets. So how much total assets you are getting? 70 plus 10 plus 1 lakh is equal to 2 lakh. But when you cash part, that can keep in mind the fixed assets and other current assets will be transferred. Cash will not be transferred. This is your cash. So for that, first we will pass the transfer entry. Transfer entry is current assets and fixed assets. So we will have to write realization account debit to other current assets account to fixed assets account. Other current assets account how much? 70,000. and fixed assets how much? 1,20,000. So obviously this is 1,90,000. Why I make these calculations? Because I want to know 70 and 1,20,000 for that. And 3,2 what is given? They said that one, the 3,2 it is given the book value are released. Matlab that 1,90,000 only you got. You did not get less or more than 1,90,000. So you the next entry cash account debit oblique bank account debit to realization account. How much? 1,90,000. And here also 1,90,000. I think you understand. Read the questions twice, then you follow this one. Generally, you will be able to understand. Let me do the next one. Next is coming. Number 4. What is given in the 4? You read the 4 and try to understand what is the questions are given in the 5. Question number 5 ka 4. Okay, 5 ka 4. Goodwill is not disclosed in the books, but 50,000 are released during the resolutions. Very good questions. The first one, 5 ka 4 tha, goodwill was disclosed but not realized, not released. And that you understand, first one I have wrote it. The first one it was given, the goodwill was disclosed but not released. And 4 is telling goodwill is not disclosed but it is released. तो 5 का 1 में आपने फर्स्ट एंट्री पास किया था, सेकेंड एंट्री पास नहीं किया था. 5 का 4 में अब फर्स्ट एंट्री पास नहीं करना है, सेकेंड एंट्री पास करना है. अंडरस्टैंड नॉट? सो 5 का 4 टैक्स पेड विल नॉट कम. दैट इज 5 का 4 is not it. 5 का 4 we are writing it here. 5 का 4 only the second entry also we are writing here. First entry will not come. So cash oblique bank account debit to realization account. How much? Now we are getting I think 50,000. So book value was not there, but when you sold it, that time you got 50,000 extra cash for realizations. Now 5 ka 5. The value of laptop is ₹35,000. One partner has taken it for ₹25,000. Most important. Laptop value is how much? 35. Who has taken? One partner. How much? It is 25,000. Less than that. I told you, if partner is taking assets, partner's capital account will be debit. If partner is taking liability, partner's capital account will be credit. Only these two sentences you keep in mind. So 5 ka 1. Laptop. First to transfer the laptop because it is given the value of the laptop 35,000. It is given. First we have to pass the journal notice for transferring the laptop, which the entry is coming realization account debit to laptop account. Is that it? 5 ka? Yes, 5 ka 1. How much? 35,000. Realization account debit to laptop account. Or ₹35,000. Now, narration I am not writing. 5 ka 2. Who has taken? One partner has taken. It is given. One partner name is not given. If name is given, suppose A is given, so A's capital account will write. B B is given. B's capital account will write. One partner has taken up for rupees 25,000. Partner's capital account will write. So partner's capital account will be debit. Partner's capital. I am writing here capital. It may be current account also. Capital oblique current you can write. Partner's capital account will be debit to realization. How much? 25,000. If it is taking more than that, suppose more than 35 is 40. So you write it 40. How much amount he is taking, whether less or more, that is not my matter. 25,000 is taking means 10,000 loss company is getting. That is realization account you will cover. Narrations you will write. Now 6. 6 is given. A partner has accepted to pay the loan of his SMT, Srimati, of rupees 40,000 which was given to the farm. Most important question. So many students they will write the first transparently. I call that one. Where you will write transparently, where you will not transparently, where you will not write transparently, that you have to understand. Partner's loan, partner's missus loan or anybody's loan, you have not transferred to the realization account. Payment will be done directly. Srimati, this is which question I am telling? 6 I think so. A partner has accepted to pay the loan of his SMT of rupees 40,000. Loan, SMT loan as it is coming in the liability side, it is a kitty balance. To close it, you have to make it a debit. And one partner is taking the liability. This is the meaning of that. The partner is taking the liability. If partner is taking the liability, partner's capital account will be credited. So here, first entry you will not transfer, you will not write it. The first entry will write only the second entry. Is that it? So SMT loan, partner's loan. SMT partner's loan is given, no? The number 6, the partner has to pay the loan. SMT, sorry. Partner's loan account debit to partner's capital or current account. How much? 40,000. Transparently we have not passed because SMT loans account we have not transferred to the realization account. For that SMT's loan account debit to partner's capital account or the current account. Now number 7. 7th test is here. Yes. What is given in the 7th? Income tax liability is now payable rupees 30,000. It is not recorded in the books. It is not recorded in the books means it was not there in your balance sheets. In your balance sheets, it was not disclosed. And in the balance sheet, if it is not disclosed, the first entry will not come. But the liability which you have to pay whenever you are going to disclose the business, dissolve the business, whenever you are going to dissolve the business, that time that liability you have to pay. But will not pass as first entry because it was not there, it was not existence in your balance sheet. Only will pass the 7th one, first entry, that is realization account debit to cash. Realization account debit to cash, that is realization account debit to cash oblique bank account. Here I am writing 2. Model first entry will not come. How much it is? The amount is given 30,000. Seventh is over. Now we go for the 8th. Once again, I have to wrap that one to get the base. What is given in the 8th? You read the questions of 8. and try to understand what is given in these questions. After that, I will explain it. Eight. Eight is given. After making the payment of all liabilities and loan of partner of a firm, surplus of assets is rupees 1,20,000. The profit and loss sharing ratio of partner A, B and C are 5:3:2. I told you have to understand the meaning of the questions. What is given? After making the payment of all liabilities, in resolutions what you are doing, you know now. You are selling these all assets and started paying that one all liabilities. First amount which you have to pay, the expense for the resolutions. After that, the liabilities from the outsider, then partners, then at last to the capital will be adjusted. But they are telling that one you have done all the things. You sold these all assets, you paid this all, and then you are having the excess of rupees 1,20,000. Now this excess 1,20,000 who will take? The partner will take. In which ratio? In old ratio. The ratio is given 5:3:2. So in the 5:3:2 ratio, you have to distribute. As it is a profit, further their partner's capital account will be credit. If it is a loss, partner's capital account will be debit. So it is a profit, partner's capital account will be credit. And which will not be debit? The realization account will be debit. And which ratio? 5:3:2. So realization account debit, that is 8:1. Realization account debit. Why realization account to make it to debit? Because when you got the realization account, you have opened that one, you got the credit balance. For that you make it debit. 2. A's capital, ABC na? Yes. 2. B's capital and 2. C's capital. Which ratio? 5:3:2. Here I am writing 5:3:2. How much amount? 1,20,000. 1,20,000 plus 5 means 60,000. Half of that. This is. And 36:24. 36:24. This is the ratio. Now let me come to question number 9. 5:9. 9 is given that one machine is disclosed in the books at the time of dissolution of rupees 2 lakh. The book value is released. Very easy question. 9 is given a machine cost was rupees 2 lakh. It was given existence in the balance sheet. First to transfer this 2 lakh entry, and then that same value you got it. The same value you got it, that you transfer it. So your journal 2 balance is coming 9:1 for transfer entry. There is realization account debit to machines. Realization account debit to machines. How much? 2 lakh. This is easy question. And you have sold it the same value. So this is cash of it. Bank account debit to realization account. How much? Same amount. You are getting 2 lakh. So no change. Now 10. What is given in 10? 10 is given. One partner has accepted the responsibility to undertake the dissolution procedure. In return, it is decided that to pay the remuneration of rupees 20,000 on account of expense the firm paid him of rupees 12,000. This is also most important. One partner has taken the responsibility. What responsibility? To dissolve this one. And whatever the money or expense the part that particular partner will do. And it is decided that one, this is which question we are saying? 10th one. It is decided that one, that for this work, he should get the remuneration of rupees 20,000. And out of that, 12,000 farm already paid. Now 20,000 what you have to pay to him, for that his capital account will be credited. Now real estate account debit to respective partner's capital account. That 20,000 which you have to pay, that is one. Real estate account debit to respective partners capital account. पहले उसको रेस्पेक्टिव पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट को 20,000 क्रेडिट करो और रियल एस्टेट अकाउंट को एक्सपेंस दिखा दो. दिस इज मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. उसको कैपिटल अकाउंट को क्रेडिट किया और रियल एस्टेट अकाउंट को एक्सपेंस दिखाया. एंड नाउ 10(2) it is given that out of that how much you paid 12,000. So 12,000 you paid to him, so his capital account will be debit to cash. So respective partners capital account debit to cash / bank account. How much? I think 12,000. 12,000? Yes, 12,000. You understand? Let me read the next one. This 8, 10, 11, 12 we will do it here. Let me do the 11 one there. I do not know whether I will get the pace or not. 11. This is you understand? Date, particulars, LA, debit, credit, amount, rupees. Continue. What is the 11? The question number 11 is given. There are a debtors of rupees 1,20,000 and creditors of rupees 60,000 at the time of dissolution. Debtors of rupees 1,20,000 and creditors of rupees 60,000 at the time of dissolution of the firm. That means this you have to transfer first. One partner has taken a debtors 20% at 20%, then book value, and the accepted to pay the creditors. Once again I am reading the questions. That is what is given, the 11. There are the debtors of rupees 1,20,000 and creditors of rupees 60,000. First debtors and creditors को first to transfer है. Debtors real estate account debit to debtors, that is 11(1). Real estate account debit to debtors. How much? 1,20,000. This is cash per entry. Correct? One more transfer entry will come. Creditors account debit to realization. Creditors account debit to realization. How much? 60,000. That is transferring. Okay? Now, what is it they are given? That it is given that 20% less you paid and you paid the creditors full amount. So 1,20,000, how much is that? That debtors, it is given that question, it is given that debtors of at 20% less than the book value and accept to pay the creditors. Creditors का हमने पूरा amount payment कर दिया, ओके, और इसको हमने 20% लेस पेमेंट किया. तो इसका 20% प्लस 60,000 creditors. This if you add it, you will get it total the 96,000 I think so. 96,000 and payment you have to do it here. So here third entry will come, that is called partners capital account debit partners capital account debit to realizations. This is coming 96,000. How 96,000 is coming, that you understand that is 20% less. This 20% less is getting. And the fourth one, you have to pay to the 6,000 to the creditors. That is coming realization account debit to partners कैपिटल अकाउंट. इसको आपने पूरा पेमेंट दे दिया. I think you did not understand this one. Debtors 1,20,000 ट्रांसफर किया, creditors 1,20,000 ट्रांसफर किया, debtors को पेमेंट दिया 20% लेस, 20% of 1,20,000 is coming 24,000. That is 1,20,000 minus 24 is coming 96, and creditors को पूरा पेमेंट दिया. Next is coming page number 311, question number 5, the last one, that is 12. I am reading the question, you follow it. The profit and loss sharing ratio between the partner RBI is 3:2:1. Undertake the disposal of the following balance. Disposal of the means that you close it and transfer it wherever it should be transferred. Of the following balance: the general ledger of rupees 18,000, debit balance of profit and loss account of rupees 12,000, workman accident compensation fund of rupees 18,000. This is very easy. Only the transfer entry you have to pass. That is that not it is related as the one with the realization account. Only you have to transfer the result or the accumulated profit, whatever it is given, that you have to transfer it. So what are the balance is given? The three balances are given. RBI is the partner. Question 12. 1. It is not at all related with the realization account. Only they are telling that already you have learned from the previous chapter, transferring the accumulated profits or loss. The three partners are given, the ratio is 3:2:1. Transfer the general ledger. General ledger with the credit balance. You have to make it a debit. We will write here the 12th one. General result account debit to R's capital, to B's capital, RBI, and to I's capital. How much? It is 18,000. 18,000 3:2:1 मतलब 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1 मतलब 6. 6 मतलब 3. One part is 3. This is 1. If it is 3, it is 6, and it will be 9. Now I have to product that. Okay. 3:2:1 means 3 plus 2 plus 1 6. So 18,000 divided by 6 means 3 is the one part. This is one part, 2 part, 3 parts. Number 2. It is given the debit balance of the profit loss account. Debit balance. Don't forget, generally most of the time credit balance comes, but this is debit balance. So you have to make it a debit. Debit balance means you have to make it a credit. So we write here R's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, I's capital account debit to profit and loss account. How much amount? The profit loss account amount is given 12,000. Credit. And if it is 12, what will do? 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. 12 divided by 6 matlab 2. And 2 means this is 2. And if it is a 2, then this is how much? This is 2:1. 4. And this is 6. 2, this is 1 actually. 1:2:3. 1 डबल कर दो 2 और इसका डबल मत करो, इसका 3 से इसको 3 से मत करो. Okay, now 3. 3 is given. Workmen accident compensation fund. You have to understand. Workmen accident compensation fund is your credit balance. We will make it a debit. So workmen accident compensation fund account debit to R to B to I. Capital account. How much amount is given? Again 18. Already you have done the 18. So you know that one. Very easy. The same one. So 18,000 is here. And in 18,000 963. That is 9, 6 and 3. At last you will add it. Because I have run it. You add this all amount columns in the debit side. Debit as well as the credit column. Narrations you will write in your own language, which I have not written narration anywhere. Narrations you will write in your own language. I think students, once again you all these questions you read twice and watch this video twice. Even though if you do not understand, you can tell me at any time. I always ready to clear your doubt. I think all you are following this one, also you keep continuing. Okay, bye.